Welcome to Vedansh Vedic Astrology. Today we will discuss about Taurus ascendant chart. We will learn what are the benefic planet and neutral planet for Taurus ascendant chart. So let's start the video. Join your hands together and recite the mantra with me. Om Sahana Bhavatu Sahana Bhunaktu Saha Viryam Karvavahe Tejasvinavadhitamastu मा विद्वसावहे ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः. So this is Taurus ascendant chart. As we can see, number 2 is written in the first house. That means when the person was born, Taurus sign was arising at the eastern horizon of the earth. So the lord of Taurus, that is Venus, is the most auspicious and benefic planet for Taurus ascendant chart. As we all know that the ascendant lord, the first house lord, is the most benefic and auspicious planet. So for Taurus ascendant chart, Venus is the ascendant lord and the most auspicious and benefic planet for this chart. Next, as we know that the trine houses, that is 5th house and the 9th house, are the most auspicious houses after the ascendant. So the lords of 5th house and the 9th house are the second most auspicious planets for the particular ascendant chart. As we can see, number 6 is written in the 5th house, which is the sign of Virgo, and the lord of Virgo is Mercury. And number 10 is written in the 9th house, and the lord of 9th house, Capricorn sign, is Saturn. So the next to Venus, Mercury and Saturn are the most auspicious benefic planet for Taurus ascendant. Whenever you see a chart, you will notice that for all the ascendants, the lords that are falling into 5th house and the 9th house are always the friends of the ascendant. Being of 5th lord, Mercury is also the lord of 2nd house, which is number 3 sign Gemini. The lord of Gemini is also Mercury. So Mercury being the lord of 2nd house and 5th house, since the Mercury is friends to Venus, and we know that how the lord of 2nd house, if it is friends with the ascendant lord, is benefic for that particular chart. So Mercury is here the lord of two houses. One is 2nd house and the other one, which is most as auspicious, the 5th house. Mercury becomes very auspicious and benefic planet for the Taurus ascendant chart. Now we come to this 3rd house. The sign is Cancer, 4 number. The lord of Cancer is Moon. Moon here becomes a neutral planet. It is a deity planet, it's not friends with Venus. It may give its result, but since, as we know, the results related to 3rd house are the hard work, the long travels, the short distance travels, and lot of efforts. So it will give results, but after a lot of hard work and struggle. So it is giving the results, but it is making the person to go through certain difficulties, and lot of person has to put a lot of effort, and after a lot of efforts he gets little results. So this way we can consider it as a neutral planet. That means it's neither benefic nor malefic. Similarly, the 4th house lord, it's Leo. The lord of Leo is Sun. Sun here also becomes a neutral planet, though it is the lord of a central house, which is the 4th house, but since it is enemy to Venus, but it is the lord of 4th house, So it is having one positive attitude and one negative attitude. Negative attitude, it's enemy to Venus. Positive attitude, it's the lord of the central house. So hereby it becomes a neutral planet, not very benefic, not malefic. The results will depend upon its placement in the horoscope, that we will learn in the upcoming videos. Fifth house we have already discussed. Now we come to the sixth house. As we have already discussed in the previous ascendant chart, that is Aries ascendant chart, since the lord of sixth house is Venus, because 7 number sign is written here and the zodiac is Libra. So the lord of Libra is Venus. Here Venus is also the ascendant lord. Since Venus is the ascendant lord, its most auspicious and benefic planet, it will not give any bad results for the sixth house because it is a auspicious planet and the ascendant lord. So here, despite of being the sixth lord, Venus is always benefic for its own ascendant chart. Now the seventh house, the number written here is 8, which is a Scorpio sign. The lord of Scorpio is Mars. Mars is here also the lord of 12th house. In 12th house we can see number 1 is written, the sign is Aries. The lord of Aries is also Mars. So Mars, being, despite of being the lord of center house, it is also the lord of 12th house, which is a trick house. So being the lord of a trick house, very inauspicious house, and the enemy to the Venus ascendant lord, Mars become the malefic planet, non-auspicious planet for Taurus ascendant chart. It will not give good results for the Taurus ascendant. Next, here it is the 8th house. In 8th house, which number is written? It's 9. The zodiac is Sagittarius. The lord of Sagittarius is Jupiter, as we know. Jupiter here is also the lord of 11th house. 11th house has the sign Pisces, number 12. Jupiter being the lord of 11th house and 8th house. 8th house is very bad, as we know. 11th house is also not so auspicious. It is good in terms of income and profit and gain. It is also called as Lakshmi's San. So Jupiter can give some positive results. Will not say some positive, will say some results due to its own nature. But overall, it is not considered to be a benefic planet for Taurus ascendant. It will not give good results during its dasha. Dasha system we'll learn in the upcoming chapters. Next is the 9th house that we have already learned. Next to it is 10th house, which is the house of karma and also a center house. The lord of this house is Saturn because 11 number is written and the zodiac is Aquarius. The lord of Aquarius is Saturn. Saturn here is the lord of two very good auspicious houses, that is the central house, the 10th house and the 9th house. Being the lord of 9 in 10th, both the auspicious houses, Saturn also becomes very benefic and beneficial planet for the Taurus ascendant chart. So we have learned here that Venus, Mercury and Saturn, these three are the most auspicious planet for Taurus ascendant. Moon and Sun become neutral planets. Mars and Jupiter, they become malefic planet for Taurus ascendant. Now we talk about Rahu and Ketu. As we know, they have not given any houses or zodiac signs. As we know, they have not given any zodiacs in the horoscope. Still, they give their impacts. For Taurus ascendant chart, Rahu and Ketu are considered benefic. Though they are by nature malefic planets, they are Dusht Graha. Despite of the fact, since Venus is the mentor of those demon planets, especially Rahu and Ketu, they respect their mentor and they tend to give good results as per their characteristics to the Taurus ascendant chart. So they will be benefic in some of the areas of life, they will support the ascendant in those areas whose karak tattvas or the characteristics are owned by Rahu and Ketu. In the opposite, for the Aries ascendant that we have learned, since they are enemy to Aries, Mars, they will not give good results. They can only give a little bit good result when their placements are strong and they are bound to give good results as per their placement in the chart. Otherwise, Rahu and Ketu give supportive results. Rahu and Ketu support the ascendant, which are friends to them. So now we have learned all the malefic and neutral planets of ascendant of Taurus ascendant chart. Now you can download the handout from the link given in the description box. You can scroll it down and look for all these planets in details. It's all written over here. You can go through it, read it again, do your revision, and can watch the video again. In the next video, we will discuss about Gemini ascendant chart. Till then, do your revision, like the video and share the video, and do subscribe the channel if you like my videos.